Hello guys and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So you guys recently asked me how to automate the YouTube to blog post feature of Aiomatic, as this is a more recent feature which came out recently for Aiomatic, and I don't have at the moment I did not have a feature to automate this, as you had to enter YouTube URLs one by one, which will be used to create blog posts by Aiomatic. But in this video I want to show you guys how to automate the process to grab automatically YouTube videos from channels, from keyword searches and so on, because you guys asked for this. So let me show you this in this video. I will be using Youtubomatic for this together with Aiomatic. So the nested shortcode feature of Youtubomatic will be used, which is not so well known, and I want to shed light on this in this video. So let me go ahead and start configuring Youtubomatic first. So for example, I want to import videos from my YouTube channel, which is CodeRevolution TV. So you know that YouTube switched to handles, and from this year, I guess, in the beginning of 2023 or the end of 2022, YouTube introduced these handles. And let me show you how to set up Youtubomatic to import videos from my YouTube channel, for example. So let's say I want to import only the most recent video from my channel, which is this one, Aiomatic Update AI Generated Media SEO Tags. Okay, so for this I enter a star here in the keyword search. This means that I want to import everything that match my query. Let's also hit settings and scroll down until you see the source channel handle, and here enter CodeRevolution TV or the source channel handle which you want to import videos from. Keep in mind that this is working if you want to get videos from a channel. If this is not the case, you can leave the source channel handle empty and simply enter the keyword search that you want to make here. So for example, ASUS or anything else. But in this video I will be getting videos from my channel. Okay, also in the search order, be sure to click the date, so order the search by date, and also very important, uncheck the cache items for continuous posting, because this might grab also older videos from that channel. So this is not needed if you want to get latest videos by date imported by the search order from here. Okay, so we set up here the Youtubomatic plugin, import only one video post, and don't activate the rule, so it will not automatically run to create posts for you. But this is not needed. We will use this rule only to get the video URL. So for this, in the generated post content, we will need to also edit and change the content of it to video URL shortcode. So this is needed, so this rule will return only the video URL which we will be grabbing from Aiomatic. So for this I changed the generated post content to video URL. And now let's go and hover over this question mark, and we will be able to see this little shortcode which this rule generates. So copy this shortcode, Youtubomatic 00 for example, and let's go to Aiomatic and paste the shortcode from Youtubomatic in the YouTube video URLs list. So this shortcode will automatically call this rule, and it will automatically execute it, and it will grab the URL of the video which is returned, because in the content we have the video URL shortcode. And now we can leave everything at its default settings and save settings. And let's check the front page of our site. We have some test posts which we can go ahead and delete now to not interfere with our testing. And after we deleted this post, let's refresh, and let's run importing in Aiomatic. So it is very important to be sure that you have the latest version of Aiomatic for this to work, as I added support for nested shortcodes in the YouTube video URL list in the latest version of Aiomatic. So be sure to have only the latest version of Aiomatic when you are using this feature and when you are automating this feature. So now we can also go to activity and logging and check on the activity logs of Aiomatic, as we will be able to see that it calls ChatGPT API for how to use Aiomatic to create SEO data for media library. So it already got the latest video and it is already working on publishing a post from my YouTube channel. And keep in mind that when I will publish new videos here on this YouTube channel, when the rule runs, it will automatically grab the latest video using this setup. So using this setup, when the YouTube channel publishes new videos and this rule is running again, the plugin will grab the latest video from YouTube and create a post using it. So be sure to set up Youtubomatic and also Aiomatic exactly like I showed you, as this will be important. So the green check mark appears. This means that we can go ahead and refresh our site, and here it is: Aiomatic update, AI-generated media SEO tags and everything. And here is the article, which is not the video. So this is important, that this is AI written content and this is not the not exactly the video, but it somehow summarizes the video's content, and it talks about what it's inside the video, as it has access also to the closed captions of the video, so it knows and it understands also what I am speaking inside the video without any text. Okay, so yeah, this is how to automate Aiomatic using Youtubomatic also and its nested shortcodes for the YouTube to blog post feature, which came out recently to Aiomatic. If you have more questions, ideas, suggestions, let me know in the comments of this video. They are welcome. I reply to every comment that I receive, and I read also every comment implicitly. Thank you for watching until then. Like, share, subscribe. It's really appreciated. I really enjoy when I see positive feedback on my videos, and it really motivates me. Thank you for watching. Until then, bye bye.